What is my philosophy of care? Patient care really should be a team effort between a doctor and a patient. Whenever I see a patient, I want to work with the patient in order to look at what their goals are, what their needs are, and really use my experience, my expertise to help them in getting through whatever situation they're in. I'm Igor Elyash. I'm a general surgeon here at Valley Hospital. How do I produce better quality outcomes? I like to look at every single patient interaction as an individualized event. So anytime I interact with a patient, I want to afterwards kind of do a play-by-play, see what we did right, what we did wrong, what we could do better. And I always strive to continue learning. I never believe in just being stagnant. I think that we should use every experience to provide better care, to really continue and do a better job next time around. How am I reducing cost and complications? So whenever I see a patient in the office or in the hospital, I always want to optimize their care and do things that are safe, but at the same time, things that are reliable and things that are have been proven to be effective. So in that regard, I always go for the reliable option as opposed to the more costly or the more extravagant option. But at the end of the day, I always want to do the safest and most comprehensive job that I can. Why should a patient choose me for care? If you go to me as your surgeon, you will find someone who is compassionate, caring, willing to go to the extra mile to take care of you, willing to work with you and focus on your needs and focus on your goals, and ultimately to be a partner in recovery and improving your health. Why should a patient choose Valley for care? Valley Hospital is a unique hospital in the sense that it has amazing specialists and amazing providers from all over the country that have chosen to practice at Valley, but at the same time it's still a community hospital, so it has that friendly, warm environment that patients want and need for their care. So I think that combination, it makes us unique and allows us to provide better care for our patients.